Hi guys, I'm Rich. Let's go through my top 5 things to watch for the week ahead in markets. Number 1, Wall Street falling. Last week I discussed a head and shoulders top in the S&P 500, which played out over the course of the week as US indices dropped to new yearly lows. The Dow experienced its biggest daily drop since March 2020. Now that's because investor fears about inflation and a possible US recession are really taking hold. As we head into the new week, the trend in stock remains firmly down. Number 2, FOMC minutes. On Wednesday, we get the minutes from the latest Federal Reserve meeting, where the decision was made to raise interest rates by 50 basis points. Last week, Fed Chair Jerome Powell said there won't be any hesitation about raising rates until inflation comes down to normal levels. Should the minutes confirm that other policymakers share this view, it could be a tailwind for the US dollar. Number 3, RBNZ Meeting. Earlier on Wednesday, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand will update its monetary policy with another rate hike expected. A second 50 basis point move to take interest rates back to 2% in New Zealand, and a clear signal of more tightening to come is expected. With commodities off their highs, the New Zealand dollar has been unable to take advantage of hawkish RBNZ policy since other central banks are embarking on their own tightening paths. Number 4, Davos. The officially named World Economic Forum runs from May 22nd through the 26th, after having been rescheduled from its usual timing in January. The event is unlikely to cause any major waves in financial markets, but big players do attend and their comments can have big ramifications for government policy and corporate plans. Number 5, economic data. German IFO data and New Zealand retail sales are out on Monday. Tuesday sees a wave of PMI data from across Europe and the US. The RBNZ have their policy decision on Wednesday, followed by updated German Q1 GDP, US durable goods data, and FOMC minutes. Thursday sees the release of US Q1 GDP data and Canadian retail sales. And finally, on Friday, there is Australian retail sales. Of course, you can click the link in the description below to see the full economic calendar with the previous month's data and the consensus expectation for this time. But for now, thanks everybody. Best of luck trading this week, and remember to smash that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss more content like this when it's released.